Hey, I just sold this house right behind me, set a record in this neighborhood. We're in Scottsdale. I'll give you some details and how we did it. One of the things I didn't do, stick a sign in the front yard. Okay, when selling your home, first impressions are everything. All we did was change out this welcome mat, made a big difference. We didn't paint the door, I guess we could have, but we still sold. Let's keep going. Okay, one of the things that we splurged on, you don't see right away, we had this floor steam cleaned. It looks brand new. The grout was brown. It looked bad. Totally worth it. 1,267 square feet, $550. All right, next tip. I recommend you light stage your home. This bathroom is a perfect example. I'm showing you pictures of an empty bathroom, one with a dark shower curtain, one with a light shower curtain. Huge difference. Throw a towel in there, it kind of cozies up the space. Do that in certain parts of your home. Definitely help you sell. Okay, lighting. Lighting is huge. Nothing says old home with outdated lighting. Buy some of these fixtures. I bought 2 of these for 20 bucks on OfferUp and replaced the old ones that I'm showing you now. I did a video on replacing 4 can lights, $5.50 per can. Top right-hand corner is that video. Update your lighting. It'll brighten your place. Okay, the number one cheapest thing I would do to your house, and may not be that cheap depending on what you have to do, fill the nail holes and paint the walls. Come on, this is the largest investment probably in your life. Take care of it that way. Nothing like walking into a home and it looks used, super used. That's nail holes everywhere and bad paint. So paint your walls, fill your holes. Let's keep moving. Okay, another freebie, as in you don't have to spend any money, you might make some money, is declutter your home. Get rid of your personal photographs, clean out your house, spend the time to do it. Your home's gonna sell a lot faster. Crazy, that's just a sticker. Okay, one of the things we did not splurge on was photography. I got a tip a long time ago. Why would you spend all this money on photos if your house sells quickly? This home sold in 1 day. So the fact we could have spent up to $250, $300 on photos would have been a complete waste of money. I'd rather put that into the deep cleaning that we did do. Clean the place up. Again, you don't want it to look like a used home. $275, 1,267 square feet, and they did the windows. Okay, not only do you want your home to look clean, you want it to smell clean. Also, this is a non-toxic diffuser from Desert Liberties, links in the description. It is a fresh, subtle, never overpowering smell. I love it. Okay, one of the best investments you can make is the kitchen, because what? Kitchens sell homes. We had 2 white appliances, 2 stainless steel appliances. We bought the oven and dishwasher. We spent $1,500 to do it, and it looks awesome. Okay, one of the other recommendations I would make is if you've done updates to your home in the last several years, keep those receipts and make them available to the appraiser if it can help communicate the value of your home to that appraiser. I really think that helped in this deal. Here's a picture of what the presentation I did for this deal. Okay, was all of this work worth it? You tell me. In December of 2025, this house appraised for $595,000. 4 months later, we put the home up for $619,000. We got a full price offer within 1 day. The details matter. Do not get lazy when you're about to put your biggest asset up for sale. More details about the sale of this home is down in the description. I am an active real estate agent in the state of Arizona. I've done flips, wholesale deals, rentals. My information is down below. I would love for you to check out some of my other videos. Would love for you to subscribe. That's it for this edition of How To Cute. We'll see you next time.